Good morning guys. Good morning. Naghahanda kami ni Mr. Pupunta kami sa laboratory.
Lumay kami sana sa
Magpa-mammogram ako. And can you open the
Sure.
carte? Yeah. So, kailangan ko daw uminom ng maraming tubig. Too much water. Kasi dalawang ititest sa akin. Radiology, ay radyo at saka the other one, mammography. Tapos i-check nila dito sa baba ko. Ewan ko kasi first time ko ba. Hindi ko naman, wala naman akong experience guys. My first. Kailangan natin kasi sabi nila,
first, yeah, usually they will know your age.
oo nga. 40 years above. Yes.
Right.
Diba guys, 40 years na yung pa. Alam, matanda na ako. I'm getting old. Tinom ako ng tubig. Warm water muna. Nagdala ako ng tubig. Ito ang babaunin ko. And mamayang hapon, pag tuloy-tuloy ang pag-araw, na ako magtatanim. And at the same time, bungkalin yung iba. Malambot na yung lupa guys. Kapag tuloy-tuloy ang pag-araw, ewan ko siguro tapos ng yung alam nyo, yung ulan-ulan. Ngayon araw-araw na. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Yung mga tanim ko, naayos ko na sila. Balik ko na sa dati nilang place. Ayan, nag-i-start nang nagbabads ang mga iba kong tanim. Ang pinakamasaya sa akin yung rose. Ayan, mayroon na tayong rose. Malago. Sobra. Ala, ito ang daming buds guys, oh. Alam nyo, yung rose ko na wish ko lang noon, nakapatubo na ako. At the same time, yung bougainvillea natin, daming dahon, wala pang bulaklak. Yung malunggay ko, ewan ko, hindi pa nakita, mamaya i-check ko. Yun, yung isang bougainvillea dun, naman ko, lumago siya. Wait. 8:45 ang ko guys. Yes. Tara, samahan nyo kami ni Mr. Wala naman na akong nakalimutan siguro. Ito na lahat yung kailangan ko. Pati yung ID ko. Malapit lang naman yung laboratory guys. Kung saan kami nagpa-blood test last time.
Wait, I wanted to finish the first. هلا بشوف اختيار قبل ما
matagal pa naman. I think 1 hour almost 1 hour.
ما بعرف انا حسب people موجودين. I suppose they take 15 تقول a day, you know. Who arrives first, they enter.
Yeah, let's go.
Accept the buy.
Yes.
Then
Nagdala din ako ng tubig. Kailangan ko daw uminom ng maraming tubig. Bali, 2 test ang gagawin ko. parang nauna sa yung nagmamadali kami kasi yung ano ba, mayroon nakasunod ata sa amin magpaano din, ewan ko lang. Ayan, let's go. Nandito na ako sa room guys, pero tapos na ako, nagbibihis pa, meron pang isa eh. Ayan, iniwan na ako ito. Tapos na kami guys. Ganun pala. It's my first time.
The Baklito is the son of the man. The man entered. He's the old man شوية entered.
Not him yan.
The Baklito, he brought his father to do it.
Okay.
His father looks normal.
Hindi, admit.
He's old شوية بس.
Anyway, yun. Ganun pa lang magpaano tayo. Let's go! Tapos na kami. Thank God.
Stay in front.
Saturday, makukuha namin yung result. Yes. A cat, Yemkin. Cat, eh. Be careful, Anges. Pusa siguro nag-jump dyan sa taas. But you will feed me?
ما ياخد الأولاد إذا بتروق كمان.
Yes. Ayan, tapos na kami guys. Ang sakit-sakit pala, sakit-sakit guys. Alam nyo, ganun pala yun. Yung...
في machine that press
it's hurt. Here, side, and then in front. Left and right. That's why. Oh, I thought it's finished when it's make the first. Ayan, pakainin daw kami ni Mr. ng kinefe. May army guys. Kinefe, ito yung isang traditional breakfast ng mga Lebanese. Ano ito?
Lebanese sweet.
Parang burger siya. Pero cheese ang nasa loob. Tapos may sauce siya. Yung tinatawag nilang atar. Yung sugar, depende naman kung gusto mong lagyan. Yun kasi ang nagpapasarap yung atar, tawag nila. And matagal na kami hindi kumain kasi mostly kapag yung manushe or yung lahmi bajin, isa din yun. Yes, so once a year siguro kami makakain ng ganun, kinefe. Yes, because it's cheese, parang burger siya tapos maraming sesame yung bread. Masarap siya, nakaka-addict din. Kaya lang pag marami din hindi rin maganda guys. Minsan yung mga tao kumakain sila pag midnight. Sabi nga ni Mr. ang dami daw kumakain around 3 o'clock, ganun. Breakfast snack yun, no? Masarap siya, malaking tinapay. Masarap pag mainit-init. Pagkita ko mamaya sa inyo kapag makabidyo ako doon. Try natin mag-video. Maraming tao. Ayan. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream guys. Sarap. Ito siya guys. Yan yung tinapay. Ito yung atar. Sweet. Ayan siya, yung cheese. Wala ng cheese, no more cheese. Doon. Ayan, tinanggal na nila yung cheese. Ito yung sauce niya guys, yung sugar. Ay, yung sweet atar tinatawag nila. Ayun yung bread. Where? It's free? Ashta.
Free daw ito guys. Try natin. Ang sarap siya. Ito yung breakfast nila. Yung Swiss. 24 hours.
I come at night, I pass, I look on the highway, I look
Ayan na yung cheese.
full of cars.
Cheese yan. Ayan yung asar. Inilagyan nila ng cheese. Ay yung atar, tinatawag nilang atar.
لا هيدي نامورة بقشطة مادة بقشطة بتجي بقلبها قصة حلب
Namura ashta.
هون 5 مسيو تفضلي أهلا وسهلا
Finish? Can I have one more? Thank you. Masarap siya. Thank you. Sino?
They offer you one, you take two.
Sarap. Yung ano guys, atis ba yun? Asta? Ewan ko. Sarap.
Open or closed. Should be open.
Monday, may appointment kami sa school. Yung ano, yung lawyer, ayun tawag ito. Kaibig.
It seems he didn't come back to the school that day. That's why they didn't call us. But I want to go and I want to tell him I want, يعني, when I meet him, I want to tell him I want this favor from you. And we will talk to him. Oh, I hope he can do it for us.
Yes. Salah.
I'll tell him I want this from you. We stood in this country, we stayed here, and you know the situation. So I need my wife to work, good work, decent work. If is it possible, I want you to keep it in mind here at the school. I would say, tell me something else. I don't want her to work in the school.
Yes, sa school
And
lang.
coming from your side, dear lawyer, so it's something, and I know that.
Kasi 'di ba, yung mostly kasi guys, malaki din kasi ang benefits like yung tuition fee ng mga bata, ganyan. And yun, why not? So eager ako. And so may mga benefit sa mga bata yung ano ko, pag-work ko sa school. Yan, dito na kami sa bahay. Tulog pa ata ang mga bata. I will put
Gonzale.
Okay.
So,
Hi guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Let's eat. Check natin kung may mga message. Hindi pa ako time check dito. (9:30) na dito guys. AM. Maaga kami pumunta. Maaga din kami natapos. So, ito na siya. Lagay natin sa tray. Yes, put hydrolytic. Yes, yes. Okay, let's eat. Serve natin. Ganito lang siya. The dog is still inside. Yala.
Yeah.
Hay the Kleenex, mama.
Hello, Diane.
Lemme.
Hey, wipes.
Yan, ganyan siya.
Yeah, yeah, hold it like this.
Ate. May ate
Hey.
siya.
Eat like this over there. They begin to eat here. Okay, but they go. Yeah. Yeah. So the phone is. يلا شيلي يا
Kain tayo. Let's eat. Sayo na. Ay, the first siya yan.
يلا شيلي. رد هاي الباب بابا رد الباب شوي.
I don't have the akala.
في معك.
Give me plastic, mommy. Your chair. Ganito siya. Yun, may cheese. Ate, you want I cut?
No, I can bite with the holder.
Okay. Yalla, sit. You wanna sit here?
يلا.
Yalla, sit. Kain po tayo. Breakfast, Lebanese breakfast. Andito, nilamig ako guys. Alam nyo, ang kapal-kapal ng jacket ko. Pang winter ito, malamig. Yung simoy ng hangin ba. Sila mister, nandun sila sa garden, naglalaro sila ni Kian ng airplane. Kami naman ni siya dito. Malamig eh. Paul, Haida.
Look is for
Let's go up.
Malung ka yan. Where you will go? Maglaro daw sila doon. Eh, siya yan! The pillow! The pillow, mama. Eh, about to fly. Manood tayo tignan nga natin kung anong lalaro ng dalawang mag-ama. Wait, Sky. Where? I will bring Queen. Nilalamig ako. Where you will play? Up? I will bring Queen. Ha? Kunin ko si Queen para maglaro sila. Mamaya si Sky. Next si Sky. Very good. Excuse ko. Yun si Queen, hila ako. Wait, mama, that's si Daddy, oh. No, you cannot rest. Wait. Wait. Wait, Queen. Come pull me. Make pee first. I release her. Mariko. Go to shaky yan. Ta. Come, Yala, take your things. She want to make pee. Yala, make pee. Wait, she's making pee. Don't take the kaka. Take it. Wait, good. Wait, good. Be careful, she will cut, she will destroy. No.
Catch it before she does.
No, be careful, she will cut.
Wait.
She take. Ayan daw yung plate. Nice! Paul, Queen.
Ah, sige, laruin na. Ari ko.
Where? It's okay.
We can't finish. Wait, it's okay. I'll hold on, she will catch.
Up. Up.
People, good one.
Huh?
People, let her play. Tuck in.
Hold it well and high. That's good girl. That's blep 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 hon. Blep.
Takot siya kay
Go,
Mister.
Go. Go. Blep. Win. Blep. Sits. Blep. Blep here.
Ayan, iwan na siya. Ganyan yan.
Blep. Leave her, she'll fall out through. If we stay here, she will stay next to us.
I don't know.
Guys, stay here. We will see where she will go. Stand here. Stand here.
She's smelling. Can you, Daddy,
Look at
can you
her,
hold
look at
this?
her. Just look at her. Stay.
Daddy, can you hold this?
I want to see where she will go if we are staying here.
She's smelling if someone make if the dog made caca.
Hantay ka na. Dog,
Walk,
yes.
walk, smash back. Leave her alone. Walk.
Where is the leaf?
With Daddy.
Look, she will not go far. She will not go far.
Be careful, she is
Keep
so...
walking normal. Keep walking normal.
It cut hands.
Keep walking normal.
She's behind you.
Keep walking normal.
Yeah.
When I say stop, stop. Huh?
Eh.
Keep walking normal.
Ay, aray ko.
Mama,
I
stop.
want to see how far she will go. She will make a car. Wait.
Ah, she will make a car.
She's smelling.
She's turning.
It was dust.
Yala, may kaka na before we go home. Yala. Yala, may kaka. Mabad ako ko? Hmm? Mabad di kaka. Yala, may kaka.
You destroyed the phone.
Tahan, tahan.